Bacterial vaginosis isn't always sexually transmitted, and it's unlikely that trichomoniasis came from a toilet seat. What's up, guys? Mark with PharmWise. Trichomoniasis vaginalis is a parasitic protozoan, while Gardnerella vaginalis is the cause of bacterial vaginosis. Metronidazole is known for its anaerobe coverage, but it also has anti-parasitic activity. 2 bugs, 1 antibiotic. Slight preference in dosing. For trichomoniasis, metronidazole 500 mg twice daily for 7 days is preferred in women over 2 grams as a single dose. Twice daily frequency has shown to have a lower incidence of recurrent positive tests at 1 month. This does not apply to men because they weren't included in the study. Bacterial vaginosis can be because of an overgrowth of common organisms along the vaginal wall. Metronidazole 500 mg twice daily for